Hey everybody, welcome back to the Honeydew Professor. We're actually out in the field right now looking at installation being done on a home in Bronx, New York. So let you see what the process is. Are you ready? Let's get started.
You gotta feel, everything is like a feel.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta feel it. You see, you stop there,
Yeah.
you gotta release it. Right here. He's coming. Release the hose. Release the hose. Right. Pull the hose out. Release the hose. Squeeze the sponge to the thing. Release.
So this is a balloon frame construction house, and the first process to insulating outside is you have to drill a hole where you're gonna put your insulation hose into, and use a machine to pressurize dense packed cellulose into the cavity. After you fill the cavity with dense packed cellulose, then you plug it with these styrofoam discs. You can see the full bag of them, and then you just put the vinyl siding back in place.